Don't scroll. This might just be the most important video you see today. Because what I'm about to show you is boom! You've seen this channel, right? It's called Little Margot Stories, only 16 videos. But guess what? They have over 312,000 subscribers and almost every video has millions of views. Oh my god, dude. This channel is literally breaking YouTube with simple, cute 3D animated story videos. And I know exactly what you're thinking. I want to make videos like that too. But how? Well, guess what, my friend? You can. And not just that. You'll learn how to do it using 100% free AI tools, no fancy software, no editing experience needed. So promise me, don't skip. Even 5 seconds missed and you'll miss a step. Let's dive into the full process, from prompts to final video. Step 1. Get magical prompts using ChatGPT. Alright, first things first. Go to YouTube, open the Little Margot Stories channel and take a screenshot of one of their videos. Preferably one with a cute character like Margot and her friends. Now, open ChatGPT. Upload the screenshot and write this prompt in the box. Please give 3D pixel style prompts in the same style as this image. Now hold tight because, whoa! ChatGPT will generate 10 beautiful 3D animation prompts, written perfectly to replicate the storybook, Pixar-style animation you see in Little Margot Stories. These prompts are pure gold. They describe baby hedgehogs, glowing mushrooms, tiny ducklings, enchanted forests and more, all in that dreamy, pixelated story style. Copy them and save them into Google Docs or Notepad. We'll use these prompts to generate our magical world. Step 2. Generate images with Leonardo.ai now. Let's bring those prompts to life with stunning visuals. Go to the website, Leonardo.ai, click Create. Choose the model, Phoenix, then select Dynamic Mode. Set the image ratio to 16, 9, perfect for YouTube. Now paste in your prompt from ChatGPT. Click Generate. And ba-boom! You now have a gorgeous HD 3D pixel style image, just like the Little Margot thumbnails. Leonardo.ai is amazing. It gives you 150 free credits daily, which means you can generate 6-10 free images every day. That's more than enough to build a full episode. Repeat this process with all 10 prompts. Build your own animated world, frame by frame. Step 3. Animate with Dreamina.ai. Now it's time to bring those images to life. Let's animate them into beautiful videos using Dreamina.ai. Step 1. Go to Dreamina.ai. Step 2. Use a free VPN like Proton VPN or Urban VPN and connect to the USA. Step 3. Refresh the site, now you can use it fully. Choose Model S2. 0. This gives the best cinematic animation style. Then click on Generate Video. Upload the image you created using Reloado Paste, the same prompt again. Click Generate within 1-2 minutes. Dreamina will turn your static image into a beautiful short video, fully animated, soft motion, and HD quality. Don't worry if you're a complete beginner. Dreamina.ai does all the animation for you. Just upload your image, paste the prompt, and boom! Your animation starts instantly. No need for complicated software or editing. Dreamina makes it super simple. Whether you're 12 or 60, you can use Dreamina.ai. It's that easy. You don't need to know animation or coding, just bring your creativity. This tool is perfect if you're just starting out and want fast, beautiful results. Dreamina.ai turns still pictures into short videos without you doing any editing. There's no timeline, no dragging clips, no layers. It's all automated. It's like a shortcut for making animations. Just add your prompt and click one button. Dreamina is super user-friendly, it looks simple, and it works like magic. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and perfect for anyone new to AI tools. All you need is one image and one sentence. Dreamina handles the rest. It feels like the AI is doing all the hard work behind the scenes, and you just sit back and watch. Oh my God, no watermark, no subscription, no lag, just pure story magic. You can repeat this for every image and build an entire animated episode for free. There's no timeline, no dragging clips, no layers. It's all automated. It's like a shortcut for making animations. Just add your prompt and click one button. Dreamina is super user-friendly, it looks simple, and it works like magic. The interface is clean, easy to navigate, and perfect for anyone new to AI tools. Step 4. Add magical music from YouTube library. Every great story needs music, right? Go to Google and search YouTube Audio Library. This site is packed with copyright-free music that you can use in your videos. 100% safe, no strikes. Choose soft piano, lullaby tones, fantasy background, or nature sounds. Whatever fits the mood of your story. Download your favorite track. You'll use this in editing next. Step 5. Edit with CapCut, desktop or mobile. Now, it's time to put everything together like a pro. Open CapCut, free for mobile and desktop. Import all your videos from Dreamina. Arrange them in a sequence that tells a story, add smooth transitions between each clip, import your background music from YouTube library. Add titles if needed, like Margot and the Butterfly Episode 1, The Magical Egg, a Hedgehog Story. Customize fonts and colors to match the soft, child-friendly vibe. Then go to export and save the video in 2K or 4K resolution. And boom! You just created your first viral quality animated story video for free. Let's boost your results with these extra tips. Upload once a week. Consistency matters. Use thumbnails that show the character's emotion, just like Margot. Add titles like Episode 1, Adventure Begins, The Lost Carrot, etc. Use hashtags, #KidStory, #AnimatedShorts, #3, Danimation #free iTools, #MargotStyle, add your own voiceover narration, read a simple bedtime story over your video to create a read-aloud version. These go crazy viral on YouTube. So my friends, that's how you go from zero to a full little Margot-style channel using only free AI tools. ChatGPT for prompts, Leonardo.ai for 3D image generation, Dreamina.ai for animation YouTube audio library for music CapCut for editing. No budget, no problem, just your creativity and this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because we bring you AI gold every week. And remember, oh me goody, let's go viral together.